Valeu, patrão.
E aí, Samuel, bom demais, mano.
Tranquilão, velho.
Vamos treinar hoje aí?
Vamos treinar hoje aí.
Sexta-feira de manhã.
We're gonna train hard. Yeah?
Yeah.
Coming to relax.
Today.
Relax, Colin. Coming to relax, get a good exercise. Look at the man here at the hour. Sat. This is the man right here. Let's talk about these guys are here are just doing business negotiations. That's what they have fun. Talk about money. Oh, the big ring. Look at that. He smiled about it. He's like, talk about money. He's all about it. He's happy. He's happy.
Some wrestling.
Let's go, Ruben. What's up, guys? Let's go. Have a new shooting here as well. Trying a class, having fun. Coach Greg here. Passionate about wrestling.
Yeah, because if you pull here, it's going to make them pull up. We'll see next week we'll do is over here for a knee lock, right? So you want to try to keep that head just.
This is Eric. Eric is not shy. Eric, say hi. You think JP is gonna get shy today? I won't do it to him because he didn't show up for a week. I'm not gonna record him.
You running
today.
away for a week, huh?
Yeah, he ran away. I'm not
Is
gonna
that his
record him
excuse?
today. This is Jake too, man. He's a beast. Train full time now. I'm convinced him to get full time, but he go here and there. He has a girlfriend. He has a, she keeps him busy. So sometimes he's here. 2 times a day. 2 times a day. 2 times a day.
Still a monster.
The monster, I want him to do 3 times. His girlfriend wants him to do once, so it's a balance. Look at Joe here, man. Awesome.
Show your
JP's over there, guys, but I'm not gonna record him.
almost like, there you go. Now it's real awkward. There you go. See how you pull it in, and your fingers aren't visible from the front. Yeah, there you go. There you go.
Nice, guys.